Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Welcome, glad you could stop by today. I am going to be doing my two-tier tray decorating for Christmas. And I have finished up Christmas decorating in the house. I've done my tree. I've done everything all around, and I am down to the last thing that I'm gonna do, which is my two-tier tray. And I am excited to do it. I purchased a bunch of things to put on my two-tier tray, so I'm excited to show you what I have and hopefully inspire you to whatever you do in your home for the holidays. I don't know if you're a student full-time, you have no extra cash, no extra time, you're a working person who barely has time to make dinner, never mind decorate. But there are little things that you can do, whether it's just one pillow that demonstrates your love of Christmas with, some kind of festive look, or you go all out and you decorate the house, every room in the house with trees. I work full time, and there's no way that I could really decorate my whole house unless I took some time off from work, which is what I do. Usually take the week after Thanksgiving. That way I can just chill out and take each day and do a little bit of decorating each day until I have my house the way I want it. But if you can't do that, then just do what you can, and it will bring a little bit of the magic of the season into your home. That's why I do it. I love to just see things that remind me of when I was a kid and how wonderful Christmas was and how I believed in the magic of Christmas. And so that's why I do it. Hopefully I will inspire you in some way. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started on my tray. Right now it is just got some leftovers from the fall that I had done. I took my little plants out of the fall cups, and I have two of those, and I have a couple of pedestals. I have three pedestals. And I have a little cloche top that I got with a candle and took it off the candle, and I'm going to maybe do some kind of a cloche on here. If not, just put it on its own with something underneath. I have this, I'm not sure I'm going to be using it, but it was just on there. This is just a Ray Dunn candle, and I have right now just one little sprig of lamb's ear and some cotton that was on there before. I do have some cotton that I purchased, so we shall see. But I just have my empty tray now, and I'm gonna get all the little things that I bought. I will show you, and I will place everything, and hopefully I get something that looks good when I'm done. I mean, it's just going to be random. I don't have any plan. I didn't do it ahead of time. I'm going to take everything out of the bag and just use my imagination, and that's what's part of the fun. And yeah, so let's get started. All right, so here's my bag, and I did add some things in here. Not everything came from Hobby Lobby. Most of it did, but I had picked up one or two other things and threw it in the bag. So I don't even remember half the stuff I have in here. So I'm just going to show you one piece at a time. I have this cute little deer. So I have no idea where I got this little deer, but he's so cute. Probably Michael's maybe, because I did pick up a few things from Michael's. So there's that. Oh yeah, these are Michael's. So I have a little, I love birds. If you watched my video from for my mantle, I have two cute birds on there. This is a little bird sitting on a branch, and he's so cute. I couldn't resist him. This tree was from my Hobby Lobby haul that I did. This little gnome is so cute. I figured he would be sitting somewhere on the tray, so he's cute. These, I believe I got these from the Target Dollar Spot. I don't have my glasses on, but they were so cute. I got these. This little ornament of a truck with the little Christmas tree. And these are from the Hobby Lobby haul that you saw on the previous video. This was another ornament that I got from Michael's. And then the rest of my Hobby Lobby haul. And my cotton. And I did get some mugs. I forgot all about these. I got these at the dollar store. So I do have a couple of mugs to put my little plants in. So I have everything all unpacked, and I actually, this is unfortunate, but I dropped my little truck, and so it broke. And so I'm gonna see about putting it in the opposite position so you won't see where it's broken, but we'll see. And then these little houses that I got, they actually light up. So I lit them already. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cardinals come. Do I ask the night if she'd fold her wings and sleep some? If she'd fold like a rose over its stars, and that away at that time, would it be alright if I wrap my arms around you in the dark, out in the street, or wherever it is you run with your heart, just like me when we're together now? Everything has changed. I don't want the same old thing. Would you wait if I'd be there soon? With your eyes all shadowy like half moons. Would you wait?
All right, so I did finally finish it. It took me a while because, you know, when you start out, you just don't know what you're gonna do. You don't know how it's gonna all work out. And I think that it is probably finished. I don't know if I'll change it up at some point or get something that I want to change it up with. I just filled it with a lot of the cotton balls, and I put the bows. I had picked up those bows at I think I picked those up at Job Lot actually, and I didn't know what I was gonna do with them. I just liked them. So I ended up putting them like one up top here and one inside to kind of fill in. And I did end up using my truck even though I broke it. But I really like it with the lit up houses. My little snowmen guys, you know, they're kind of not sure how they're going to be. I might change them up, but I put them on a little pedestal. I have my tree, my gnome. My gnome kind of hides, he kind of hides that broken truck up there, and he's sitting on some cotton balls. And I didn't end up using the cloche because I couldn't figure it out. I didn't really have anything that was working. I might end up doing something, but for now, I have the little bird sitting on the pedestal there. And I did keep my blessed black candle. I could put a Christmas one in there, but I have my little nutcracker on there. And I did stick some lamb's ear back there just to kind of fill. This little bird probably would do better off of that cloche. I mean, off of that pedestal. But for now, that's kind of what I am. That's not kind of, that is what I am doing. So he's going to stay there for now, and I will show you up close. But yeah, that's my 2-tier tray. Talk about just throwing something together, but I like it. And it's on my table, and it's very pretty, and it's from all angles. So, you know, wherever someone is, they can see something that is pretty. So I hope you like my 2-tier tray. I hope I've inspired you in some way, and I hope that you have wonderful, safe holidays. Whatever you celebrate, I hope that you have very wonderful, happy, healthy holidays. This is probably going to be the last decorating video of the season for me. So look for some unboxings and some nails, of course. Do whatever creates my best life. So I hope I can inspire you to create your best life. So yeah, so if you are new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will get notified when I put up a new video. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.
Cardinals come. Do I ask the night if she'd fold her wings and sleep some? If she'd